Today, I'm revealing the step-by-step process behind making these adorable, viral cat videos. Yes, the same kind that's already racking up nearly 140,000 views in under 2 months. You've asked, and now I'm showing exactly how to do it. From generating the idea, crafting your AI prompts, to creating smooth animations, all without needing to draw a single whisker. Stick with me to the very end, because I'll be sharing the exact prompt that made this all possible. And trust me, you'll want to use it. Let me show you how to generate a 15-scene masterpiece that's short, fun, and super engaging. This formula is a sweet spot, easy to produce and guaranteed to keep people watching. We're using ChatGPT to create this, and I've already crafted the prompt for you. All you need is a catchy title, something like Tiny Cat's Relaxing Spa Day. Cute, right? And ChatGPT will handle the rest. Let's start by copying this master prompt into ChatGPT. I'll share the full prompt with you at the end, so make sure you don't miss it. Once it's pasted, just insert your title and tell it to generate 15 image prompts. You'll get a detailed character description, 15 consistent scene prompts, optional short voiceovers for each scene, great for storytelling. Next up, let's grab that character description. This is key because we'll reuse it in every scene to make sure our images stay consistent. I'm naming my cat character Mimi, so whenever you see Mimi in a scene prompt, we'll swap it with our full character description. Easy. Time to bring Mimi to life using the AI image tool Piclumen. We'll go scene by scene, paste the prompt, insert our character description in brackets right after Mimi, and hit submit. Pro tip, use 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. It makes editing smoother and more professional. Here's the first image. Look how cute this is. Let's repeat the process for all 15 scenes. As you can see, every image is turning out amazing and super consistent. To save time, I'll go ahead and generate the rest behind the scenes. Be right back with the magic. I've got all my images ready. Now let's download them and move to animation. We're using Minimax Halo AI to animate these images. Don't worry, I'll link everything in the description. It's free to start, but if you want quicker results, the $10 a month plan is totally worth it. Bonus, you earn credits daily, even on the free plan. Now let's upload our images one by one into Minimax Halo AI. Important. Each time you upload an image, paste the same prompt you used to generate that image. This gives you perfect scene-by-scene animation. For best results, choose the base image model. It gives stable results with minimal jitter. Hit generate and boom, you're animating like a pro. Keep going through all 15 scenes. I'll fast-track the rest. Done animating? Awesome. Now go to the Assets tab, select your videos, and download them. I recommend selecting only the files you need to avoid unnecessary clutter. Once everything's downloaded, let's move to final editing. Time to put the whole story together. I'm using CapCut here because it's free and super beginner friendly. But you can use any editing software like Adobe Premiere too. Just import your videos, drag them to the timeline, and line them up in order. Add background music, sound effects, and your own voiceover if you want. It'll take your video from good to amazing. And there you have it, your very own adorable AI cat video that's ready to take over YouTube. I'll drop the full prompt and tools used in the description. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what title you plan to use. Let's flood YouTube with cuteness.